What's the meaning of chimera? Chimera. Chimera.
Chimera. Chimera. The term chimera refers to a creature in Greek mythology that is made up of different animals. In science, a chimera is an organism that contains cells from two or more genetically distinct individuals. This can occur naturally or through genetic manipulation. Chimeras have been created in various animals, including mice and pigs, with the hope of producing organs for transplant or studying diseases. In some cases, chimerism has also been observed in humans, leading to interesting genetic phenomena. The concept of a chimera has inspired many works of literature, art, and popular culture.